Hey guys, Ben here with Chesapeake RV Solutions, and today I want to go over the Alpha Wolf 26RL. This is a dual slide out unit, really comes very well equipped. It's got an incredible price point, lots of value for the money. It does have power jacks all the way around. It's got great insulation. As you can see, they're advertising that quite a bit. And then down here is a really cool feature, the leash latch. Everybody likes to take the fur babies camping, so why not have a spot to actually leash them. It does have the solid steps as well as two awnings. These are both power awnings with LED lights, so you can really enjoy the outdoors. Let's check out the inside. So as you can see, you've got a lot of living area in a really nice sized camper for towing. Some of the things we really like about the Alpha Wolf are the 8 cubic foot fridge. You've got the Furrion stove with the lights for the bezels, which is really cool. It's a great night light. And the full pantry there. And check it out, it comes with a 40-inch TV box. No, just kidding, we will install the TV. It's no problem, free of charge if you buy it today. Just kidding again. Electric fireplace, which everybody kind of like doesn't understand the value of until you go camping in the spring or fall. And that electric heat is awesome. Tri-fold sofa, as well as the heated and massaging Thomas Paine theater seats. Let's check out the bedroom and the bathroom just really quick before I do. There really is a lot of good countertop space. It's got a good size awning. That's a one-piece farmhouse sink, so it gives you plenty of room to wash the pots and pans, some of the larger stuff if you like to cook. In the bathroom, you've got a linen closet as well as the corner shower, porcelain toilet, and then full-length queen here. Good storage, plenty of room to walk by the bed, and a pocket door going into the bedroom. So guys, again, thanks for watching. This is Ben with Chesapeake RV Solutions. Hope you have a great day. If you'd like more information, check out our website, www.chesapeakervsolutions.com, where you can call 866-432-0222. We'd love to talk to you. Have a good one. Bye.